Alright, this is room 2477. This room is handicap accessible. At the time when we booked it, it's the only room that was left available on this floor, so we did grab it as I joined the trip late. So we've got a long entryway coming in. Got a desk, a mirror, got your drawers, got your phone. I do love this. You've got these windows that actually go out. You've got area to set some stuffed animals or any other stuff you need to set there. And this is probably going to be a great view of the water or sailing. You've got your closets over here. You've got a full-length mirror. You've got life jackets. You've got two other closets here. Alright, and of course you do have the two twin beds that you can put together as a full. You've got a light on either side. There is an assistance cord as well. So, like I said, this is a handicap accessible room. So if that's something that you're definitely in need of, they have them. I do like the layout. Again, look, I seem to have that problem. It's undone there, and I didn't do that. I just opened it. All right. But they do seem to have a better layout with more space to allow for wheelchair access. So that's awesome. Probably what I'm going to show you next is the best thing about the room as far as handicap accessible. The bathroom. You can roll right in there. You've got a nice big sink. You've got your mirror. You've got a vanity mirror. You do have your toilet standard, but this shower is open. And this shower does have the access for the seat that you can pull out. So it's got the bars. It's definitely awesome if that fits your needs. Again, I'm just sharing this room so everybody can see it. Only reason I ended up with it is that it was the only ship available on this floor and I joined the trip late. But overall, this is a great room. And yeah, it's very spacious. So yeah, I've got the TV up here too. And then again, you've got your safe and your mini fridge over here and a table. So yeah, it's got everything you're gonna need to enjoy your cruise. And that's what I'm gonna do. You can see that this room is great for those that have maybe mobility issues. It's a much larger space, how it's situated at the end, and gives you a lot more space to get around. And like I said, it's great for those that are needing some assistance with accessibility issues. I still love their little windows. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.